Hi, I'm Tate Harris, one of the social media guys here at Ken Knapp Ford, and I'm going to tell you about 4 things I love about the new 2020 Explorer. Before we talk about the vehicle that we're actually sitting in, let's talk about 2 firsts for the 2020 Ford Explorer, which is new trim levels. It's going to have a hybrid version as well as an ST version. The hybrid has a 1.5 kilowatt lithium ion battery, which is nicely hidden underneath the second row. With the ST badge on a vehicle, you expect a lot of power. You get that in the new 2020 Explorer ST. The 3-liter twin-turbo V6 is able to produce 400 horsepower and 415 pounds of torque. Not only does the new Explorer ST drive like a performance vehicle, but it looks like one as well, with all black interior and white accents. The front grille is all black as well and features Explorer badging across the hood. Second thing I love about the new 2020 Explorer is the new cabin. One of the first things you'll notice is the tablet-like screen, and since it sits vertical, it's able to fit 3 different types of information. If you're anything like me, you always carry your phone, and something I thought was really practical was Ford put 4 different spots in this vehicle to put your phone. The first spot is right above the cup holders. You're able to put your phone in that little slot. The second is right above that, where you normally push in this cargo area. There's 2 chargers for your phone, in a normal USB and a Type-C. And you can even see there's a little, what looks like a thumb hole is actually where the wires can come out to charge your phone, and you can put your phone in there. There's also wireless charging capabilities, which is behind the cup holders. So that's the third spot. And then inside the compartment here, you have a normal car charger, which again, there's access to put the wires towards the cup holders for your phone.
1, 2, 3, 4.
A vehicle that is billed as the best-selling SUV of all time should probably be family-friendly, and the new 2020 Explorer is just that. The cool thing about the new 2020 Explorer is captain seats actually become standard, and they've even gone as far as adding juice box holders here on the side. And the center console, which features 2 more cup holders, was actually built with hard plastic and made to be stepped on. And if stepping on the center console isn't ideal for you, there's actually a step right here for you to get to the back seat, and you can slide up the seat that I'm currently sitting on. So I've talked about the new trim levels, I've talked about the new cabin, I've talked about the second row and the changes they've made so it's easier for you to get into the third row. So let's talk about the back now and the cargo space that goes with it. So the first cool little feature here on the back is instead of running your fingers along trying to find where the button is, there's actually a little arrow here that you can press to lift the power lift gate. And the power lift gate is standard with all 2020 Explorers. Obviously, cargo space is important, and if you don't find this to be enough room, a lot of people put down that third row of seats, and you can do that through power now, where you can press this middle button to put down the left or right seat at the same time, and you can pick individual buttons to put down the left and right seats as well.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So those are the 4 things I love about the new 2020 Explorer. You can come to Ken Knapp Ford anytime and test drive it yourself and see what you love about the new Explorer.